Still using Excel to track your money? Or maybe you're not tracking your expenses at all. What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you can build your own AI-powered budget tracker? Without writing a single line of code, take a look at this. This app tracks your monthly income, your expenses, your savings, generates beautiful yearly analytics, and even exports professional PDF reports with a single click. Just see the budget tracker report for the month of July beautifully generated. And yes, we're building this entire application completely free using Google AI Studio. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome, search for Google AI Studio, open the official website, click Get Started, accept the agreement, then continue. Now, open Playground, select Code and Chat, choose Gemini 2.5 Flash because it's fast, powerful, and completely free. Now, click New App. In the prompt box, type Build a simple budget tracker app. Click Run. Within a few seconds, Gemini builds our first working application. Our budget tracker is now ready with some features. Let's open it in full screen. As you can see, our basic budget tracker is ready. But honestly, this is just the beginning. Let's make it much more powerful by adding monthly tabs, PDF reports, etc. You can copy the prompt from the description. Click on Run to modify the tracker. In few seconds, our budget tracker is now updated with extra features, having all months tab. You can also check the yearly overview like expenses, graphs, charts, and month-by-month summary. Now, let's see how it works in real life. I'll open the April tab, click on Add Transaction. For this demo, we'll add 3 simple entries. First, let's add our monthly salary as income. Next, I'll add rent as an expense. After that, I will show you how to copy the link and use it anywhere in your mobile or laptop. You can add, edit, delete any record of even single date transaction. And finally, food. You can add as many transactions as you want. Every entry is saved with its date, so you always know what you spent and exactly when you spent it. You can also edit or delete any transaction at any time. You just built your own AI-powered budget tracker, completely free, without writing a single line of code. Now, let me show you how to use this app on any device. Click on Share, then copy the link. Open Google on your laptop, tablet, or even your mobile phone. Paste the same link into your browser. Your budget tracker will open instantly. Your saved records will still be there, and you can continue adding new transactions anytime. Finally, open the device menu. From here, you can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile view. This makes the app easy to use on any screen size. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI Masterclass.